everybody, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today is a video for all of you BMW lovers. We have a G87 M2 in the shop. It's Toronto red, I believe, carbon buckets, and it's got the 6-speed manual. Here at Valvetronic Designs, the G8X platform has been our bread and butter. We sold a ton of them, and we were actually one of the first to market for exhaust systems for the G8X platform. Now, over time, we really dove into how we could make these G8X sound. Our V1 system you guys saw with Soom's car, it was also a manual, and it gave that real raw inline 6 motorsport sound. Then we developed our V2 program where we utilized the equal length section, changed up the piping size on the mid section, and the same thing with the rear section as well. Now we are on our V3 system, and we threw one on this G87 M2 out there, and I'm really excited to show you guys the differences, how it sounds, how it looks, and how this system has developed over the years we've been selling it. So let's go take a look at the car. I'm really excited for today. As you guys can see here, car is looking amazing, and especially with this new exhaust system as well. So as for some of the changes, we do have some new bracketry on the side with our logo. You guys can see right here, we have the authenticity tag. If you're ever curious if your Valvetronic exhaust system that you've ordered is authentic, if you didn't get it from us, a dealer perchance, or anything like that, you can check right here with this barcode, bring us to the website, and you'll be able to authenticate that. We have new bracketry up top here as well, just reinforcing this rear section. And as you guys can see, this is actually a one-piece rear section now. You guys had a lot of adjustability before with the tip outlets, but now it's all one piece. Nice, easy, takes a lot less time to install as well now. So come to the front of the exhaust, show you guys the equal length section. Alrighty, so we're up front now where the exhaust connects to the downpipes, and this is our equal length section. So you can see this pipe here is actually 3-inch, whereas before it was 2.5. And right here we have the 3.5-inch section. They connect together into that 3.5. And right here we actually have a really smooth section as well, whereas before it was kind of, you know, almost at a 90-degree angle. This flows a lot better, sounds a lot smoother. Now coming into the midsection as well, you guys obviously will get your Valvetronic Designs little chassis brace down here. It's all CNC, really high quality stuff. And for the EU buyers, we do have the OPF bungs as well. This midsection is really important. This is what gives you that really smooth, raw motorsport sound. 3.5-inch straight back, and then it connects right here to 3-inch. And as it comes out to the tips, it stays 3-inch all the way. Throughout this video, you guys are gonna be able to hear what your G87, your G80, your G82 could sound like with that S58 motor and our full equal length exhaust system. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and you're gonna get the good fortune of sitting with Nate and I on the interior, and you guys are gonna see these amped airstrip clips. I'm really happy that we're able to showcase this sound in a safe environment. So let's get this car on the ground, we'll do the startup, and we'll head over to the airstrip. We are inside the G87 M2. As mentioned before, this has these stock downpipes. Just put our full catback exhaust. This car is a manual. So cruising along right now, 2,000 RPM. You still get that nice bass, you know, out back. But, you know, for right now, valves closed. It's like this car is bone stock. You could drive this car on the highway, have zero drone, no unwanted frequencies. And yeah, it's just a really enjoyable, you know, driving experience, especially with the manual transmission as well. You know, this is a car that can really do everything very, very well as well. We're gonna get some oil temperature here. We're gonna let all the fluids start to warm up, you know, and then we'll really show you guys how this car sounds. The valves open and a little bit of a window crack as well. So I would love to pop the sunroof, but Kale bought a competition and it has a carbon fiber roof, so we cannot do that. This car feels good. I really like the way this car feels. So another really cool part about this exhaust, you know, while we're waiting for things to warm up here, right before we actually started filming, I ended up linking the valves. You can link the valves to your home link buttons on your rearview mirror here for all of the G8X platforms. So we have it set up so the closest is valves closed, and then the furthest is, you can hear that open up out back. A lot more drama. Yeah, this is gonna sound really cool. I must note that we have the M sound off. So this is all just raw S58 sound that you get right out the box when you buy our exhaust. I love all the pops and cracks as well. And these are like actual cracks, not just the M sound. This car's fast. Now this having the manual as well, it really offers a lot more drama and excitement than the typical G8X platform. The 8-speed automatic is a great transmission. It's very, very fast. But at the end of the day, that's kind of what a lot of these cars are missing. It's kind of that, you know, that rawness that a lot of people, you're spending a lot of money on a car, and a lot of people miss that sound, and a lot of people miss that experience. So to be able to have, you know, a 2024 car like this, you know, it have a manual transmission, it'd be reliable, and you still get that motorsport sound now with this exhaust. I mean, what's there not to love, you know? That, everyone, is the S58 perfected. As I said earlier in this video, the G8X platform is our bread and butter. We all love the G8X platform here at Valvetronic. A couple of the employees actually have them, and these are just great cars. The G87 M2 is a great entry-level sports car that's getting into like Porsche territory, in my opinion. It's a really, really good car, and it's even better with this exhaust system. Before we end this video out, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and seriously, if you guys have not subscribed already, please consider, because we upload every other day, and actually 90% of our viewers aren't subscribed. So if you're watching this video and you aren't subscribed, please go click that subscribe button down below. Like I said, upload videos every other day. Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari, BMW, Audi, whatever you can think. If you're into cars and you're an enthusiast, you will enjoy this YouTube channel. So thanks again for watching. If you guys have a G87 M2 or a G80 M3, G82 M4, and want this sound experience for your car, head over to valvetronic.com. We can help you guys out. We have a live chat. We have a phone number that you can call with real people who will answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for our next video where it's going to be on possibly a supercar and something that might have twice the cylinders. Take care.